Okay. Hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
3.
You're 3. What did you like about Christmas Day?
Playing Christmas Day.
Yeah? What did you get for Christmas?
A parent house.
Was that your favorite gift ever?
Uh-huh.
We played that yesterday, didn't we?
We did.
Remember when we hung Joker up on the hook?
Uh-huh.
The anchor?
Uh-huh. We hang a sugar on the anchor.
And then did Batman get him? How's the sucker?
Then,
Good. Hey Cruz, what's your favorite song to sing?
cookie.
What?
Santa came to town.
Santa came to town.
Uh-huh.
You know Rudolph too. And Jingle Bells.
Go, go, go. I just say it. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All of us, it's the way. With us open sleigh. Hey!
Very good. Can you tell me the story of the 3 little pigs?
Wednesday, was a senior pig. They named it. But they didn't first word pig. Sunday pig. House without.
Do you remember what he was going to build his house out of? What was it?
Doll.
Yeah.
And he was doing it. And he made a house built and he built. And he stopped. And second period, he said he will put his house at 12.
Okay, so then what happened?
And the baby will come and he's not going to do. Little pig, let me in. And baby pig, no.
They
Not on my hair on my dinky chin. So I will put, and I will put, and I will put it also.
And what happened?
A house fell to ground.
It did.
Uh-huh.
So then what?
And next, a pig said he will be his own brick.
Sticks, right?
And he built his sticks without sticks. And he built, and he stopped. And a very big wolf come, and he knocked on the door. Really big, let me in. Now I'm here on my kitchen. So I will put, and I will put, and I will blow your house down.
And what happened?
I have photograph.
Oh no!
And the next picture, he will be his our bricks. And he will big, and he stopped. And he said, and baby look him, and
It didn't.
No.
What'd the wolf do then?
He will go to his home.
He went back to his home.
Mhm.
Wasn't he hungry?
He was.
So what did he eat then?
I don't know.
What do you like to eat?
Strawberry.
Oh, do you think the wolf had strawberries?
Mm-hmm.
I think the wolf maybe had a cheeseburger.
He has a cheeseburger. I think a wolf has a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How's the sucker?
Well,
Hey, tell me about the baby that's coming.
a baby's coming at 4 minutes.
In 4 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
I hope not. Mommy's not ready.
Mm-hmm.
I have to shower. What kinds of things are you going to help with?
Change the diaper.
Are ya?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to change a diaper?
Mm-hmm.
How?
First they told me change your diaper.
Yeah. What else are you going to do to help out?
Baby, helping.
Help with what?
Baby, cook with you.
Maybe cook? You could cook us supper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you like to help cook, don't you?
I love cook.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How else are you going to help the baby? What are you going to teach her?
Maybe in soccer?
Oh, you could teach her to play soccer?
Yeah.
What about, are you going to read to her?
Mm-hmm.
What are some of your favorite books that you could read to her?
Pig?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What other books?
We have a favorite pig at the house.
We do. It's upstairs in your room.
Uh-huh.
What other books might you read to her?
The Batman book.
Yeah? You think she's going to like superheroes?
Uh-huh.
You should get a couple of your race cars to show the camera. Go get your favorite race cars. Which one did you get?
This one.
Is that your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you drive a car someday, is that the kind of car you want?
Mm-hmm. Because I'm driving this car.
Yeah. Is it going to go slow? Or is it going to go fast?
It's don't be fast on my racetrack. Mm-hmm. Watch.
Whoa.
I can't go fast. I can't go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Whoa! Oh, he's getting closer. You can't sit that close.
I just my yellow cup. I think I didn't bring myself back.
Can you give the camera a kiss?